Hello, hello, hello! My name is Shancy and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel I do quick and easy makeup looks, and I also do a lot of fashion content for size 16. By trade I'm an Instagrammer, but I do enjoy making videos on YouTube, so I'm trying to grow my channel and my presence here. The first thing I want to do for this video is show you guys my new peonies that are in the garden. They are so stunning and they're a little bit over bloomed. It's a Japanese peony tree and they're already like, the flowers are dying, so I just snipped today and I wanted to showcase them in my video because they are gorgeous and they smell amazing. Now we can talk about makeup. So the purpose of this video was to show you guys my new summer skin. I got a beautiful package from Drunk Elephant and I want to show you guys what they sent me. First of all, when they sent me the PR email, I was like, oh my god, Drunk Elephant wants to send me product. I have made it. I can close up shop. So the first thing they sent was this cutie patootie little neon plastic tote that's perfect for the beach. A beautiful towel. So cute. It's not a round towel, but it's adorable. And it's like a really nice thick material called Sunny Life. Yeah, this is such a gorgeous towel. Pro tip for when you're sending influencers PR packages, put a nice things and also nice quality things that we're actually going to use. They also sent a couple products, obviously, in this little pouch that was in the bag as well. What was included was a full-size C Firma Day Serum. So this is 15% ascorbic acid pumpkin ferment extract. They also sent me, which I'm so excited about, is the D-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. This stuff is amazing. This is like basically inspired the whole video. I was eyeing this last year and I didn't get my hands on it fast enough, so I'm really happy that they actually sent this over. And the third piece that they sent is this cutie patootie lippy balm, which is just like a lip balm. Very hydrating, no scent, very simple, and super cute and chubby like me. Now, like I said before, this video is going to be just like my new summer skin routine. So what I'm going to do is start with Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner by Fresh, another beautiful brand. So I just take a cotton pad, swipe it over my skin. Oh, I just love the smell. That's just kind of to wake up my skin in the morning. And then just to detoxify. This is weird because I already washed my face today and it's dirty. And I like to go around where my chains are. Sometimes, you know, you get some discoloration. Oof. Next I'm going in with the C Firma Day Cream. Oh, this is cool. You just twist it. So this smells like your typical vitamin C serum. So the next step is probably the most important step is, of course, SPF. Summer skin doesn't exist without protecting your good skin. And I've been using a lot of like vitamin C and a lot of acids the last couple weeks. I've also just completed my laser hair removal session on my face. So I really have to protect my skin. So I'm going to use Adenier Sheer Hydration. This is the untinted version. So just a little bit of that. It actually glides on really nicely with the serum. I don't know if you can tell, but the Sheer Hydration does a beautiful, like, glowy thing to the skin. And you know what else makes it even glowier and bronzier? This. So this is the D-Bronzy Anti-Pollution. Basically, this is like a liquid bronzer, but it's very intense, very dark. You don't need much. This might even be too much. What I've also been doing is mixing it with the SPF to get a little bit more of like an even skin tone. So if you go too heavy here, just make sure to blend it down the neck. and there you go. So the reason why I wanted to create like a summer skin is because I'm not crazy with how my skin looks with too much foundation in the summertime. And like I was saying, because I've been using a lot of acids and I've had laser hair removal, I actually like my skin and I want to let it shine a little bit more. So what I'll do at this point is just spot conceal some blemishes. I don't know what is happening here, but apparently I'm getting zits and I'm 35 years old. And under the eyes, of course. So I'd like to take a little brush and buff that out. This is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH08 or 03. Sorry. When it comes to summer skin, my philosophy is that imperfections are okay. I feel like it's really the time to embrace our more natural skin, because truly if we wear a lot of makeup, we're just going to sweat it off. Next step is a little bit of bronzer. Right now I'm using the Marc Jacobs Coconut. What is this called? Tantastic 104. I find this one really dark on me, so just a light hand is all you need. I do it around my forehead, down the cheek. Next I'm going in with some blush, and I picked up this Nudestix Nudies. It's an all over face color, so it's a cream blush, but rather than just applying it right on the skin, I can't remember, maybe this was a Katie Jane Hughes thing, but I've been taking a dry brush. This is the JH07. So I've been flicking it like that and then just applying it and kind of buffing it in. Because what happens is this almost is too sticky and it like wipes off whatever you already have on your skin. At this point I don't have too much, like because I'm not wearing foundation. But if you were wearing more of a foundation, it definitely moves your makeup. Whereas this like buffs it in. And this year it's like all about cheek color and like a lot of it. So I'm going generous with this. And this color is in the nude. So I feel like with a nude color you can definitely get away with like a heavy hand. But do you see that? It's very nice. Next step is just to brush the eyebrows with some clear gel. I'm using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. So you can just put mascara and a lip gloss, or if you want to add a little bit of color, I've been using just like a light peachy pink for my lids. Or sometimes I'll use just some bronzer. But this little peachy color, it's like a baby pink. But anything in that family, just like swipe it over the lid and you got it. See that? It's just clean and pretty. So if you wanted to add a little bit more intensity, I'm just grabbing this Revlon eyeshadow palette, and there's a gold with some shimmer on it. You can just kind of press that onto the lid. And now we're ready for mascara. I'm using Miss Your Big from Lancome. This one I will only put on my top lid because it does tend to kind of crease on my lower lid. And if it's like summer now, I'll probably be sweating a little bit. Sometimes I find when I wear my sunglasses, I'll get a bit of a sweat line under my eyes, so I'm just doing this at the top. And highlighter, of course. And for highlighter, I am using my Becca Rose Quartz, which I bought like 2 years ago. Still loving, still using. It is not going anywhere. Funny story, every time my husband comes out of the shower, for some reason, like the tip of his nose is shining. And then the other day I was like, oh honey, I know. That's why I like putting like highlighter on the tip of my nose. It's because I look clean. Because I always tell him, you know how I know you're clean? Your nose is shining. So maybe that's why I like that little tip to be shiny. And then I'll just grab, this is a Jouviance lip plumper. Because I also feel like this summer is going to be more about glossy lips, and we're going to probably see less of that matte lip going on. And it's already started. So, presto, we are done. That was pretty quick. And that's really the whole point of it, right? If you guys like makeup videos and if you like makeup inspiration videos, you might enjoy my Good Makeup Morning on Instagram. Every morning I do my makeup before I head to work and I say good makeup morning, and then I show you guys what my look of the day is. I've also been posting my outfit of the days, so if you are size 16 and over, you might enjoy that. And if you're just a regular girl with a regular body, you may enjoy it as well. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know in the comments down below what products you really liked, if you've used some of these products before, or if you are also discovering your summer skin makeup look. Thanks again for watching. Do hit that like button. If you want to watch more Shancy videos, you can do so in the boxes over here. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!